elections. I would like to inform all the people of Andhra Pradesh we on 16 seats with Alliance and Janasena is contesting on 22 seats in Alliance. There are 5 seats where it was not possible to go along with Alliance, and that is why there is friendly fight in which BJP and Janasena both candidates are. Today I would like to apprise the viewers of all channels, the Andhra Pradesh Prajalu, that this government, ruling government, is a fraud government. The Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is a failure Chief Minister. State is moving towards a big debacle, to bankruptcy, because of the misgovernment, because of the huge amount of corruption, because of the malpractices of the ministers, MLAs, MPs of the state. And the only alternative left for Andhra Pradesh people is Bharatiya Janata Party and Janasena Alliance under the leadership of Somavir Raju Garu and Pawan Kalyan Garu. And obviously, on the thoughts of, on the direction of, on the development plans of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Centre. Firstly, I would like to apprise about the fraud advertisement published by YCP government in all newspapers. It is cheating to people by their people's money. They have vested in wrong advertisements, misguiding people, misleading the Janam Janardanalu about the facts and figures. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu should stop playing these malpractices through advertisements. About recently, through advertisements. About recently, Narendra Modi ji raised petrol by 5 rupees and diesel by 10 rupees all over the country. As we all know, prices of petrol and diesel are not monitored only by central government. It depends upon the global prices of these fuels. Whenever these prices go up, then it is compulsory or it is mandatory for our government to increase the rate. But because of the increasing rates of fuel, the additional burden was there in our country people.